Hi, got another unboxing video for you, and I've got November's edition of Look Fantastic. So this arrived yesterday and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know what's inside. So if you're new to Look Fantastic, I'll give you a quick lowdown about what it is. But if you've seen it all before and you'd rather just skip forward to seeing the contents, then I will add a timestamp down below. It'll be in the comments and I'll pin it so that you're free to just flick forward. What is Look Fantastic? Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £15 a month. You can cancel anytime. Plus it ships worldwide, which is really great. Inside you get a mix of beauty items and usually get about 6 items in there. They tend to be more skincare heavy, so if that's something that you prefer, then you would like this box. I'm sure you would, like I do. But if you're more into makeup, then this might not be the box for you. It does contain makeup, but it tends to be just a little bit more on the skincare heavy side. I've had this now for nearly, it's a year this month. November 2017 is the first time I had this box. I've had a year of Look Fantastic now. Some months are better than others, but generally I absolutely love it, and there's loads of products I've had in here that I continue to use and I've bought as well. So yeah, no, really happy with this box. They do offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost as well. Everything related to this box, including the contents inside this box, I will link down below. So click on the show more, that'll bring up description and everything will be down there for you, so you're welcome to take a look there. So it is a beauty box that contains a multitude of beauty type products like hair care, skincare, makeup, accessories, tools, etc. So we do get a really good mix in here. You also get a magazine, so let's open it up and I'll show you. So there's a quote here which has made me laugh actually. It's pronounced G-O-Y-A, so I'd say Goya, and it means a suspension of disbelief that occurs in good storytelling, a story that feels like reality. Now they always have quotes here, and the reason that made me laugh is because my daughter, when she was little, she took a little while to talk, and she used to repeat Goya over and over. She used to just say Goya, 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 Goya all the time. She's gonna hate me now for saying that, but she was little, but yeah, so that's what it means. I'll tell her that later. So inside you get a little booklet, and in here you get everything related to the contents inside this box, and also it tells you a little bit about what's on Look Fantastic website as well, because if you didn't know, Look Fantastic sell everything beauty. They are quite a good website. I do buy a lot of items from them. They usually have free shipping, and you know, they ship worldwide as well, and there's usually discounts going on, like 15% off, 20% off. If I can find any discounts, I will link them down below as well. So yeah, so it's like a little mini magazine that I'll be referring to as we go along. On the back it's got a sneak peek for December. So what is it? It's a full-size Dr. Botanicals pomegranate superfood brightening eye serum. Oh brilliant, worth £19. So that's what we'll receive in next month's Look Fantastic. Oh, what a gorgeous cover. Beautiful cover. Someone with ginger hair like myself. So this is Elle magazine. So in every single Look Fantastic box you do receive an Elle subscription for free. Now this is worth around, should know this by now, £4.40. So you get that popped in there for free, and this is a current edition. It is the November edition. So that's quite nice if you like magazines, and this is how it's all packaged. Ooh, okay. I don't want to look too much, so I'll show you first, and then I'll pop it down to the side of me, grab an item, show you, and then refer back to the booklet, and then we can have a little read about what it's all about. This month's edition is the Dark Wonder edition, and it only goes on to tell you what is inside this booklet. So let's pick the first item. Oh, it's something big. What is it? Oh, it's a bath bomb by Bubble Tea, and this is a limited edition one, and it's Dark Wonder, and it's acaberry and hibiscus tea. Oh wow, the packaging of these bath bombs are beautiful. I think we had one actually a year ago, whether in my November or December Look Fantastic, we had one of these. I loved it. It was really nice, and I've had these before, and yeah, the bath bombs, they're just gorgeous, aren't they? So it says this restoring bath fizzer uses a blend of goji berry extracts, tea notes and essential oils, helping to deliver nourishment to all skin types. Now I love that. That packaging is beautiful, but I think having a bath bomb in a subscription box is just lovely. We don't get enough of it, in all honesty. Not that I can remember anyway, but no, I love a good bath bomb, so I'm really happy with that. Our limited edition bubble tea bath bomb is back. This luxury bath bomb is infused with acai berry and hibiscus, filling your bath with colour and a fragrance that to stimulate the senses. Get ready to feel rejuvenated and refreshed with the added bonus of super soft hydrating skin. No, I love that. Love that as the first item. Next item is, oh, it's an Elemis item. I love Elemis, absolutely love it. It's quite an expensive brand for me, in all honesty, but I absolutely love it when I get them in beauty subscription boxes. So what is this? It is a papaya enzyme, oh, it's a peel, papaya enzyme peel, and this is 15ml. Exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin, non-abrasive fruit enzymes work to leave skin soft, revitalized and radiant. And it says apply for 10 minutes, rinse off with warm water. Oh wow, a peel. I haven't had one of these before. Oh, what's it like? I just want to sniff it. Oh, it smells nice, really nice. This gentle exfoliator will make your complexion appear smoother and brighter by dissolving dead skin cells without rubbing, making it perfect for delicate skin, as it also gives antioxidant and free radical protection. Your skin will be treated with seaweed actives and vitamin E, leaving you with a smooth, moisturised and remineralised skin. So that's our second item, and yeah, I'm really chuffed with it. Did I show you what it looked like? I'm not sure if I did. Apologies. I think my excitement there. But that's what it looks like there. So that's the second item. Mellow Precision Pen Liner. I think this is our sneak peek that we had last month. I'm sure an eyeliner rings a bell. Never heard of the brand Mellow before, but I love an eyeliner. We do get quite a few of them, but I always say that I don't mind. I wear liquid eyeliners. I'm wearing in this video today. I wear it quite often, but I'm very particular with my eyeliners, and they dry out quite quickly as well, so I do like having new ones now and again. Saves me going out and buying them. But yeah, no, so that's what the packaging looks like out there. Let's see what's the nib like. Ooh, it's quite nice, as nibs go. I'll just try it a little bit on my hand there. Yeah, super black, super nice. It's got a nice fine nib as well. So no, really happy with that. We'll see how it applies and whether it smudges and comes off and all that jazz. So it says, get striking eyes for every occasion. This long-lasting super black formula creates the thinnest or thickest winged liner in one sweep and gives eyes a bolder look without having to try too hard. Sweep along your lash line in whatever style you wish. So that's our third item, and we're really happy. So far, this box is amazing so far. What have we got next? Oh no, that's the empty packet, isn't it, for the eyeliner? Hold on. Ooh, Ren. Now, Ren is quite a high-end brand. I don't think I've tried much Ren products. I'm not too sure. This is a Ever Calm Global Protection Day Cream, and it's for sensitive skins, and this is a 15ml. So it looks like there. Ooh. Oh, it's really thick and creamy. I'll try a bit in the corner here, away from the mask that I tried earlier on. That's nice and fresh. Yeah, really thick cream. So what's it say about it? So it's, our skin is regularly exposed to environmental pollutants. Soothe and protect your skin with this gorgeous cream that trains your skin to be less sensitive whilst fighting against damage caused by free radicals and environmental aggressors. After cleansing, gently massage a small amount of day cream into your face and neck until absorbed. Now that sounds really nice, so I'm going to have to look online a little bit more to see about it, to see how I can incorporate it really, because I have quite a lot of skincare products that I use in my daily skincare. And yeah, so it's, when you have something nice like that, I just don't want to slap it on my face. I want to know a little bit more about it to see how I can fit it in with what I already use, or to, you know, to take something out and use that instead. I'm blabbing now. Let's go into the next one. And we got a lipstick. And what is this? This is Contour Cosmetics. Oh, I've never heard of that before. Contour Cosmetics. And what shade is it? And it's in Juju, number 4 Juju. That's what the outer packaging looks like. Oops, sealed. Hold on. It reminds me very similar to the Huda Beauty lipstick we had this month in Glossy Box. I wonder how they compare, but let's try it in my hand. Oh, this is more of a pinky tone, so I'm glad that they are different. Oh, it feels nice on my skin. Obviously, I'm not trying it on my lips. It's on my hand, and I won't be wearing lipstick on my hand normally. But it feels quite nice. Not too thick either. So, and quite a nice pinky tone, like a neutral colour there. Oh, I quite like that. So it's got no information actually on the packaging, but what's it say in the booklet? It says, this matte kiss-proof liquid lipstick is designed to last all day long. The pretty nude pink shade is perfect for an everyday look with a soft finish that doesn't dry out your lips. Encased in luxurious rose gold packaging, this highly pigmented liquid lipstick is a must-have in your makeup bag. Outline the lips and then fill in with the liquid lipstick. So I'm really, really happy to try that. So we got one item left. And what is it? Oh my word! It's a Laura Geller, and is it? Yes, it's a Baked Gelato highlighter. Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Glided Honey. It says sample not for resale though, but okay, I've got a thing about things that say sample not for resale, but in this instance I absolutely blimmin' love this. I have seen this before and it looks stunning, and yeah, I have eyed it up to buy as well. I think, I'm not sure, is it around £20 odd for the full size? That is quite a good size though. That is not too bad. Look, see, hold on, there. It's not too bad for a sample, not for resale, but no, I really, really like that. What's it look like on my hand? It just looks gorgeous. It's all whipped up. Oh, that is so nice. There, can you see in the corner? If I get out of the way, you might not be able to see it clearly. Very, very shimmery, beautiful, beautiful golden colour. Oh, that's gorgeous. Really, really pretty. Oh, I'm chuffed with that. Really, really chuffed. So what's it say about it? Enhance your natural glow for the party season with this baked highlighter that feels like a cream but applies like a sheer powder. Illuminate your face and body with a golden colour that bestows your complexion with natural looking radiance and luminosity. Sweep all over your face for a lit from within glow. All over. Just slap it on any old way. All over. No, I won't do that. But yeah, definitely, definitely love that. I'm really, really chuffed actually with this month's items. I'll just have them all up. Those are our products. What an amazing box for me anyway. I know we're all different, but wow, I absolutely love it. We've got an Elemis product, which I love Elemis. We've got a Ren product as well. So two very, very high-end products there to try. Got a gorgeous bath bomb, got a lipstick, and we've got an eyeliner as well, a liquid eyeliner, and this gorgeous, gorgeous Laura Geller highlighter. Wow, I am super impressed with this box. So what are your thoughts? As always, I'd love to know your thoughts about this box. Do you think it's yay, or do you think it's no? That's cheesy, I'm so sorry. But I'd like to know your thoughts anyway. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.